What's going on, everybody? It's Chi. For any of my returning subscribers, hello! Anyways, so, yeah, we're now Yazuko Cosplays, because I thought I'd keep everything consistent and such, so my Instagram is also Yazuko Cosplays, and I probably will make a Facebook page, but, who knows. Okay, so basically today we're going to be making Blake's Gambol? What is it? What's it called? Hold on. Gambol Shroud.
Hello?
How do you pronounce Blake's weapon?
Huh? Put it in Google Translate.
I don't think that works.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
A few minutes later.
So the first thing you need to do when making a prop is lose all will to live, and thankfully that's me every single day. So what we have here is some templates that I drew out. So here are the three main parts of the sword. We're gonna keep this one to the side right now. We're just gonna work on these two. My material of choice is this plywood that was like $13 each. And if I had known these were $13, I wouldn't have gotten one with a giant knot in it, but you know what, good job, Chi. I believe these are 1/8 inch thick. So first thing I'm gonna do anyways is just draw out these on the board. Okay, where was I? Okay, so after totally not procrastinating for about a day, it's about time that I start cutting these out. So, is that cut off too? Oh shit. Oh, that's lovely. So my power just cut out. Just for that shed though, which is kind of funny. I think I overloaded the circuit. Alright, so it's the day after, and I finally reset the breaker. Yeah, let's just get to work, man. So, I finished cutting out all the pieces. And what we have here is the 3 pieces for each tier of the blade. There's 2 tiers, the bottom and the top. And together and unsanded, it should look like this. So, I could just hand sand all of these, but everyone knows I'm lazy. So, I'm going to be using my belt sander. So, I have no idea where I left off because my camera completely died on me, and it's been a couple days since I last recorded. Now, I didn't work on the sword these past couple of days because I wanted to record it, but basically what I have done is this. This is the main tier of the blade. This is basically the sword right here. As you can see, it has 2 dowels right here for 2 pivot points, and the sword breaks in half like that. And I made a slight design change here and here, so that when you fold it, it lines up almost perfectly. That was just an aesthetic reason as well. It did shorten the blade just a tiny bit, but that shouldn't be too much of a problem. So basically what I'm planning to do next is I need to find my magnets. I bought like 50 magnets on Amazon and I have no idea where I put them. I used it for another project and then now it's gone. But once I do find them or buy new ones, what I'm going to do is insert a magnet right here, so then when it goes like this, it snaps in place. Oh yeah, right, also a magnet back here, so when I put it back, it clicks right in place. Now that that's done, time to go to the gun portion. so here are the two pieces on this piece of wood and then that outside piece on here. I taped together the template again, but now I'm just going to cut these two out and we'll figure out the rest later. Alright, so here are the pieces. Here's basically the gist of it. I'm gonna sand this down so that it can fit this. Starting from here, we can kind of get a general idea of what the finished product will look like. I think this goes like, yeah, it goes like that. Anyways, I'm gonna get to sanding this.